Hi, I'm Luma and I'm here today to show you how to set up your Sony A5100 for streaming. Well, first you need your camera. Then you need a dummy battery. Then something like this, which is a cam link from Elgato. And then you need a micro HDMI to HDMI cable to plug it into your PC. Now, firstly, we're going to go into the menu and to the far right tab, the setup tab, and change from PAL to NTSC and let the camera reboot. Now that the camera is rebooted, we can go to HDMI settings and change that to 1080p. Now that that's done, we can switch the record settings to 60 FPS. We now have a camera that can give us 1080p 60 FPS, but we also want that continuous autofocus. If you're like me and move a bit around on stream, that's going to come in real handy. To get continuous autofocus, go to the far left tab and switch the focus mode to continuous AF. Now on stream, I prefer my autofocus to be a bit snappy, so I set my autofocus drive speed to fast. I got my camera on a boom arm, which is again attached to my desk, and my desk is a wee bit wobbly, so if I shake it too much, the boom arm moves. But with Sony's kit lens and with many other lenses from Sony, you get something called OSS, or a stabilized shot internally in the camera, which you don't with a C920, as you can see from the video up here. And all you need to do to activate this is to go to the camera tab at the far left and switch the steady shot option to on. Now, even though we have a full HD crisp stabilized 60 FPS image, we still need to get rid of the camera information that's still being sent through our cam link to the stream. To do this, we need to go to the settings tab and mark a display and switch that to off. And lastly, we need to switch modes on our camera. And to do that, we have to exit the menu by pressing the menu button. Then we press the OK button, which is the round button in the middle of the wheel on the back of your camera. Then you turn the wheel to find the movie option. Then scroll all the way down to manual. And the last thing you have to do is set your shutter speed, your ISO, and your aperture to suit your streaming setup. And that's it! The perfect streaming setup for the Sony A5100 in under 3 minutes. If you liked the video, press like and subscribe. If you didn't, join my Twitch stream on Monday, Wednesday and Friday to tell me what you didn't like. Link down below. There you go. Now go enjoy your little sister. They're not really siblings. They're all